Unlocking the Secrets of Hairspray, your ultimate guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a commonly used phrase in the beauty and grooming world: hairspray. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and discover everything there is to know about hairspray. Hairspray is a common cosmetic product that comes in a spray bottle and is used to hold hair in place. It's a styling tool that provides a fine mist of liquid droplets, which coat the hair and help maintain a particular hairstyle throughout the day. But hairspray isn't just about keeping your locks in check. It also offers other benefits like adding volume, reducing frizz, and even protecting hair from humidity or wind. Hairspray has an interesting history, tracing back to the 1940s. Initially, it was developed as a replacement for hairpins, offering a new way to secure hairstyles. The earlier versions were quite different from what we use today, often leading to stiff and sticky hair. However, over the years, formulations improved significantly, making it a staple in both salons and households. Using hairspray may seem straightforward, but there's an art to it. For an optimal hold, spray from a distance of about 12 inches away from your hair. This helps in getting an even coating without making your hair too stiff. It's also essential to choose the right type of hairspray for your hair texture and the style you aim to achieve. Whether it's a flexible hold for a natural look or a strong hold for more elaborate hairstyles. There are several myths surrounding hairspray that we should clear up. For example, some people believe that hairspray is damaging and leads to hair loss. The truth is, modern hairsprays are formulated with nourishing ingredients and can be used without damaging the hair, as long as they're not used in excess and hair is properly washed regularly. Hairspray is used worldwide, but the way it's used can vary. In some cultures, it's mainly used for special occasions, while in others, it's part of the daily grooming routine. The preference for hairstyles and consequently the use of hairspray can tell us a lot about social norms and beauty standards in different societies. We hope this exploration of hairspray has been enlightening. Remember, understanding the nuances of a language includes learning about the culture and everyday items like hairspray. So next time you come across this term or use the product itself, you'll know exactly what it entails. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and informative English language content. Keep styling and keep learning.